Hello guys, this is Nilesh Kamble and in this video we are going to troubleshoot issue related to Windows 10 download won't start error, and this error occurs whenever you try to download Windows updates or Windows 10 from Microsoft website. It may be because of some of the issues in your operating system. So I am going to show you different steps to resolve this issue. So stay with me because each and every step is going to be important to resolve this particular issue. So let's go ahead and start the troubleshooting steps of Windows 10 download won't start error. So first of all, open command prompt. To open the command prompt, just type cmd in the search box, right click on it and click on run as administrator, or even if you click on it, I will show you. So you can open from here as well, run as administrator. So just click on run as administrator and it will open with the administrative privileges. It will ask for user account control permission and then click on yes. Once it is open, we have to restart the Windows update service. This is the first troubleshooting step you have to follow to restart the Windows update service. So net stop WAUSERV is a command to stop the service, but I think this service is currently stopped, so I am going to start it. Now the service is started and you can check if the error is there or not. If error is there, we have to follow another step. If error is not there, means you have resolved this issue with the help of running this command only. You can start working as you were working previously and let the download run in the background. If that particular step is not working, we have to follow another step, and I am going to show you this step to resolve the issue. So in the command prompt, open with administrative privileges, you have to type net space stop WAUSERV, then hit enter to stop Windows update service. So Windows update service is going to stop. We are on the Windows/system32 path, so we have to go on the Windows path. So just change it to Windows path with the help of cd space percentage system root percentage command and then hit enter. Now we are on the Windows path because software distribution folder is on the Windows path, so you have to rename that particular folder. So this is the chronology. We have to first stop the service, Windows update service, then we have to rename the software distribution folder, then .old. I will show you the software distribution folder in Windows folder. There is a software distribution folder. Whenever you download any of the updates, it comes into this folder and then the installation is started. So now we will be able to see both the windows, and once I hit enter, it is going to create one more folder. It is going to rename the folder and now it is .old. So once the rename is finished, we have to again start the service WAUSERV, then hit enter and new software distribution folder is created. So whatever downloads, whatever Windows updates are there, it is going to download to this particular folder and the updates will be distributed to your Windows 10 computer. So this is the important step and it will help you to resolve this issue, but I have another step as well for you guys to follow. So just right click on Windows and then go to settings, click on the troubleshoot settings, type the troubleshoot in the search box and then open troubleshoot settings, and then click on the troubleshoot, check for Windows updates and then run the troubleshooter. So run the troubleshooter is going to do the same thing if there are any issues in the software distribution folder and detect the issues and then try to resolve those issues. You can see starting bit service, it couldn't identify any problem with the Windows updates. So I'm going to close the troubleshooter. If you run this as well, it would be helpful to resolve your Windows 10 download issues. So that's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, please hit the like button, please hit the subscribe and press the bell icon to enable notifications for future videos. Stay tuned. Thanks and bye bye.